So what is AES? Simply, it's an encrypted, old-fashioned radio technology that's been around since the 1970s. It started off with our company winning a bid with the State Department to employ fast radio communicators for employees who work for embassies all over the world. If you think about a third world country, does not have a big infrastructure with regard to phone systems, how do we monitor and protect Americans who work for embassies overseas? An embassy is nothing more than an office. So the people who work in that office actually live in the city where it's located. AES was developed for communications for embassy employees. And for the first 20 years of our company, we were strictly that. We provided communication technology for federal employees. It also then started going off into the different services, whether it was the Army, Air Force, Navy. We now work with all of them. It was about in the mid 90s that the federal government lost their exclusive with regard to AES. And we started selling it into the general wholesale fire and security area. And today, I would say that about 85% of what we do is fire monitoring for a lot of different reasons. And we're going to get into that here for a second.